Rigid is #1. Helium for balloons and fun. Lithium batteries in your phone. Beryllium in precious stone. Boron helps the plants to grow. Carbon makes the diamonds glow. Metagel is in the air. Oxygen is everywhere. Fluorine keeps your teeth so white. Neon signs burn very bright. Sodium is in your salt. Magnesium helps a muscle hold. Free aluminum cans for soda pop. Silicon in the computer shop. Phosphorus on a matchstick head. Sulfur smells like exit cell. Uranium keeps the pool so blue. Argon light bulbs shine for you. Potassium in a big banana. Calcium makes you strong.